Have you noticed something strange happening in the world of online business? Everyone's trying to build their brand on social media, competing for attention in crowded markets, and spending months creating products that barely get noticed. And yet, there's a small group of entrepreneurs quietly launching multiple profitable businesses without any of the usual struggle. Let me show you what I mean. A self-published author created a book marketing toolkit with 15 AI-powered features. Instead of charging monthly, she let authors use the basic tools for free and then sold credit packs for advanced features. In her first weekend, she did $1,500 from customers who started free and upgraded when they needed more capability. And another one, an e-commerce consultant built a marketing suite in less than an hour. He sold lifetime account access for $197 during his launch, 18 customers, and $3,546 in total revenue. No monthly management, no recurring billing headaches, just one-time sales that added up really quickly. Here's what makes this possible. When you build a business that customers can access on Apple, Android, desktop, and web, you're not limiting yourself to just one type of customer. You're meeting people where they already are. But here's what made all of this possible. These are not complex systems built by tech companies with unlimited budgets. These are simple niche businesses built by regular entrepreneurs like you who saw a market need and filled it quickly. And here's the kicker. No technical degree required, no months of learning, no expensive agencies. Just select the pre-built AI modules, add your branding, and deploy across Apple, Android, desktop, and web automatically. Let me ask you something. If you could launch a fully monetized business in one afternoon, a business that customers can access on Apple, Android, web browsers, and desktop computers, would you want to know how? And if that same business came with built-in payment processing, customer management, and automated monetization, each serving a different niche, each generating its own revenue stream, would you take action? For most entrepreneurs, the honest answer is yes to all three. My name is Neil Napier, and I've been building and selling online businesses for over a decade. What I'm sharing with you today is different from anything you have seen before. I've discovered that the new way to build profitable businesses has nothing to do with coding, technical teams, or massive budgets. And it has everything to do with speed and reach. Here's why this matters. The market doesn't reward perfect anymore. It rewards fast. When you can launch a monetized business in minutes instead of months, the entire business model changes. You're no longer betting everything on one perfect idea. You're launching multiple niche businesses, testing real demand, and scaling only what actually makes money. Focused businesses sell better than generic platforms. Niche businesses solve clearer problems. And clear problems are easier to price, easier to sell, and easier to keep customers for. Which is why the next wave of successful online businesses isn't one big platform. It's many small vertical businesses launched fast, tested fast, and scaled only after they prove demand. Now imagine doing this for your business or your clients. Let me show you what happened when I tested this myself. I built a simple AI-powered business, selected modules, added branding, deployed across 4 platforms. It took me about 30 minutes to do this. And the results? Well, you can see the revenue that I made. No ads, no email list, no existing audience. You can watch the full documented case study further down on this page showing exactly how this happened. Now, before you think this is about the dollar amount, let me be very clear. The number itself is not the big takeaway. What matters is when and how it happened. That result was generated without an existing audience, without paid traffic, without an email list, without custom deployment, and without weeks of setup or optimization. See, when the cost and time required to launch a real monetized business drops down to 0, the entire risk profile changes. You no longer need to be right on the first attempt. You do need to be fast enough to test. You can create new businesses overnight. You can test them, monetize them, and if it doesn't work, scrap it and create a new one tomorrow. This is what speed enables. Faster validation of real demand, faster feedback from real customers, faster decision about what to scale and what to discard. The results I got are not impressive because of the amount. It's impressive because it proves that monetized businesses can now be launched, tested, and sold in 30 minutes before you invest months of effort or capital into them. That's exactly where OmniMint AI comes in. OmniMint AI is a complete business builder that generates optimized deployments for 4 platforms from a single project. Here's what that means in practice. Your business deploys in minutes instead of months. Literally, select modules, brand it, deploy it, and you're live. Choose from 3 professional templates or customize your own with complete white label control. One build deploys to 4 platforms simultaneously. Apple devices through mobile PWA, Android devices through mobile PWA, web browsers through custom domain, as well as desktop computers for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Payment processing is built in with Stripe and PayPal integration, ready to accept money immediately. Cloud-hosted platform means zero server management or technical headaches. Every business is engineered specifically to generate revenue and not just look nice. Fast, profitable, and scalable. This is your new unfair advantage. Let me walk you through exactly how all of this works. Step 1, you select your modules. You can choose from 1,000 pre-built AI modules organized by category. There's content generation tools for creating marketing materials and written content, image and video processors for visual content creation, business automation modules that handle repetitive tasks, marketing and sales tools that help you acquire and retain customers. No coding, no complex setup required. Just select what your niche needs and move forward. Step 2, brand your application. You can upload your logo and brand colors to match your identity. You can set your app name and tagline so customers know exactly what you offer. You can connect your custom domain to establish your web presence. You can connect your PayPal and Stripe accounts to start accepting payments immediately. OmniMint is completely invisible to your end customers. This is your brand, your business, and your revenue. Step 3, deploy to 4 platforms. iOS Apple PWA app works on all iPhones and iPads. Android PWA app works on all Android devices. Web SaaS application deploys to your custom domain and works in any browser. Desktop application works on Windows, Macs, and Linux computers. All you have to do is click deploy and OmniMint builds your multi-platform business automatically. It configures your modules, sets up monetization, creates customer accounts, and generates optimized builds for each platform, all while maintaining your brand across every deployment. No separate bills, no platform-specific coding, no technical headaches. But here's what makes all of this really powerful. These businesses generate multiple income streams. You can sell business as a service. You can offer done-for-you niche businesses to entrepreneurs and companies. What used to take months or require a whole team now takes hours. You can charge $2,000 or $5,000 per business setup and deployment. You can deliver in days and not months. Income stream number 2, you can offer vertical SaaS packages. You can build industry-specific businesses for dentists, lawyers, consultants, coaches, or real estate agents. You can charge monthly subscriptions for niche-focused tool suites. $29 to $99 per month per client, recurring revenue, and multiple clients. Income stream number 3, you can appify existing courses or consulting. You can turn your courses, coaching programs, or consulting services into branded business tools. You can increase perceived value instantly, improve customer retention, justify higher prices because you're now delivering more than just information. Income stream number 4, generate licensing revenue. You can create businesses once, license them multiple times to different clients in non-competing markets. Same bill, different branding. License fees from $500 to $2,000 per client. Income stream number 5, you can build a white label agency. You can use OmniMint to create productivity tools, marketing automation, or business management solution for clients, all under your brand, fully white label. You can charge setup fee, monthly management fee, and a licensing fee. One platform, multiple income streams, all built on speed. Try OmniMint AI risk-free for 14 days. Join the platform, build your first app in minutes, deploy it across 4 platforms, connect your payment processing, start generating revenue. And if you don't see how this transforms your business within 14 days, just email us, ask for a full refund, no questions asked. You keep all the training, you keep any money that you made, and we part ways as friends. But here's what I really think will happen. You'll build your first multi-platform app within the first 24 hours. You'll deploy it to Apple, Android, web, and desktop with a single click. You'll connect your Stripe or PayPal account and start accepting payments immediately. And you'll realize that you can create multiple of these in one sitting. And then you'll wonder why you ever struggled with expensive developers and months of delays in the first place. You have the option to build businesses for clients at $2,000 to $5,000 per project. You have complete control and multiple income streams set up. And here's the reality. 6 months from now, do you want to be launching profitable businesses in minutes, or do you still want to be waiting for expensive developers to finish your someday project idea? The choice is entirely yours, but please do choose quickly. Don't be the person who sees others generating recurring revenue with multi-platform businesses and wishes that they had started sooner. So click the button below and secure your access to OmniMint AI. Your multi-platform business empire is waiting, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.